In today's video, I will teach you how to master the tone curve in Lightroom. Let's get started. The tone curve in Lightroom is one of the most powerful tools for adjusting contrast and color tones with precision. Whether you want a bold cinematic look, a soft matte finish, or just to fine-tune highlights and shadows, mastering the tone curve is key. The first step is understanding the tone curve. The tone curve is a graph that controls the brightness of different tonal ranges. The bottom left or the blacks are the deepest shadows, and the lower midtones or darks are the darker tones. The upper midtones or lights are the brighter tones, and the top right are the whites, which are the brightest highlights. With the tone curve, the steeper the curve, the stronger the highlights. Now we're going to adjust the contrast with the RGB curve. Let's start with the classic S-curve for stronger contrast. To do this, you can add 3 anchor points to the curve. Start by lifting highlights at the top right to brighten whites. Then deepen the shadows at the bottom left to darken blacks. Then adjust the midtones at the center for balance. This adds rich contrast while keeping natural tones. And for the matte effect, for a soft faded look, you can start by raising the black point at the bottom left slightly upward. This creates a soft fade. Then lower the white point at the top right slightly downward. This reduces the harsh highlights. Then keep a gentle S-curve for balanced contrast. This is perfect for a dreamy vintage style. The third step is adjusting colors with the RGB channel curves. The green, red, and blue or RGB curves lets you adjust color tones. In the red curve, you can add warmth by raising the highlights to make it more red. And you can cool it down by lowering shadows, making it more cyan. And for the green curve, you can add a green tint or balance skin tones by adjusting midtones. And for the blue curve, you can add cool blue shadows by raising the curve, or a golden sunset effect by lowering the shadows. For a cinematic teal-orange look, you can lower the blue shadows and raise the blue highlights. Now we're going to fine-tune and save custom tone curves. To do this, you can adjust the curve shape slowly to avoid unnatural colors. Then use the before and after by pressing the backward slash key to compare changes. By mastering the tone curve, you'll have total creative control over contrast and color, perfect for professional stylized edits. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.